Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reorder the button on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and for example, I'm going to switch this button with this one. I'm going to place this back button right here on the recent button. So first of all guys, we need to open our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the display setting and try to find the navigation bar right here. Click on this navigation bar, and here you can reorder the button on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and now as you can see that the button has been changed, and I'm just going to go back. And or I guess that's how we can reorder the button on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.